Let's talk about document you're gonna need when you go to your immigrant visa interview. Document you're gonna bring with you. Hello, my name is John and welcome. Some of you guys are preparing your immigrant visa interview, but the thing is you don't even know what type of document you're gonna take with you to the interview. That's what we're gonna cover in this video. Whether you are immediate relative or non-immediate relative, as long as you go into your immigrant visa interview, you will take some document with you. The first document we're going to talk about is your passport. Very important. Without your passport, where the consular officer going to put your visa, you're going to need that passport. The passport has to be valid at least 6 months beyond the date you intend to enter the United States of America. Okay. The second important document we're going to talk about is your DS-260 confirmation page. Once you fill out your DS-260, there is a confirmation page at the end that you're supposed to print out and take to your immigrant visa interview. In case you forget to print it out, I have a video on my channel show you exactly how to reprint your DS-260 confirmation page. It's very important. Without that confirmation page, you won't be able to go to your interview. The consular officer won't interview you. Another thing you're going to take to your interview is two color passport style photos. So you, the applicant, will take those to the interview. Okay. The next document you're going to take to the interview, which is very important also, is your interview appointment letter. You're going to take your interview appointment letter with you. If you're receiving the email, print it out and add it to the rest of the document you will take to the interview. Without that, you won't be interviewed. Okay, don't forget that. If your I-130 petition case is still at NVC, you've been waiting for your interview appointment letter for months or even years now, you're tired, you don't know what to do, you want to expedite your case but don't know exactly how to do it, we have a new ebook that can help you with that. How to expedite your I-130 petition case at NVC. The link is in the description below. All right, another document we're going to talk about is your civil documents. Okay, so those are the documents you, the visa applicant, submitted to NVC, National Visa Center. You will take the original or certified copies of those documents to the interview. And at the end of the interviewer will return those original documents. Whatever copy you bring, they might keep those copies. Okay, so those civil documents can be your birth certificate, it can be your marriage certificate if applicable, because not everybody will take a marriage certificate to the interview. If you are a child of permanent resident, for example, or a child of a US citizen, why are you going to take your marriage certificate to the interview? Okay, so you only take it if it's applicable. If you submit that to NVC, National Visa Center, yeah, of course, you're going to take, again, the original or a certified copy of those documents. Divorce decree, for example, is another civil document you're going to take to the interview if you submit it to NVC, if it's applicable to you. Another document you're going to take is your PCC, your police clearance certificate. Okay, you have to take a valid PCC to the interview. If your PCC expires, well, I'm sure you will receive a notification from NVC to renew it, before you go to the interview. Okay, don't take an expired PCC to the interview. Okay, it has to be valid. On top of those documents, there will be another document based on your specific circumstances, okay? Or maybe there is a court document that is needed. In your case, you have to take it to the interview. And also sometimes if the U.S. consulate asks you to bring another I-64, which is an affidavit of support form, well, if the U.S. consulate asks you to bring another one, you will fill out and take it to the interview. Usually it's not required if you already submitted to NVC, because the consular officers have access to the one you already submitted to NVC, National Visa Center. And also any financial supporting document, if it's needed, like a pay stub or IRS transcript or your tax transcript or stuff like that, if it's needed, the U.S. consulate will let you know. That way you can add them to whatever document we just talked about. Thanks for watching.